Hi everyone, this is lesson 24, HSK 1, and we will practice words from the last lesson. And let's start. Dialogue number 1, talking about the weather. How is the weather today? 今天天气怎么样？今天 today 天气 weather 怎么样？ how or what about or in what situation about the weather? So 怎么样？ It's very hot today and the sun is strong. 今天很热，很热。Today is very hot. 很热，热 hot. 太阳很大。太阳 so 太 is big. 阳 it's source of light you could say, but 太阳 it's just sun. 太阳很大，很大。So you can say sun is strong or sun is big. 太阳很大。Let's see. 太阳 sunlight, sunshine, you can say so. It's not and sun and sunlight, it's just depend on situation. But here is, I think, sunshine, maybe. Sunshine is big. 太阳很大。Will it rain? 会下雨吗？会下雨。Mark for question and 会 like will. 下雨。To rain, not rain, to rain. 下雨。So 会下雨 will it rain? No, the weather forecast says there is no rain today. 不会 because in the question was 会 here's 不会 no or will not. 天气预报说今天没有雨。天气 here is weather, but here is new word 预报 报 it's like paper or some report. 预 it's to do something in advance, like preposition, pre-training, something like that. So 预报 it's focused, focused, but don't need to focus on this one. 天气预报说 so weather forecast says 说今天没有雨。没有 so don't have, there is no. 没有雨 it's rain. Here is only rain because before it was 下雨 to rain. But it's just noun. Great, let's go to the park. 太好了，太好了。Great, 太好了 it's very very good. 我们去公园吧。我们去 we go 公园。Public park. So or you can say park. 公园吧 and 吧 for let's. Dialogue number 2. At cafe. At a cafe. Miss, what would you like to order? 小姐 it's little sister or Miss 小姐 or young lady. 请问 please ask, please answer or just for politeness. 请问您需要什么？您 for also politeness. 需要 you want or you need to. Here's like to order, but in reality it's like what do you need? You want what? You can say. 需要什么？需要什么？ You need what? Necessary in what? Please give me a glass of water and some fruits. 请给我一杯水和一些水果。So 请 please 给我 give me 一杯水 杯 for glass for cup 一杯水 glass of water 和 and 一些水果 here is 果 for fruit, so 水果 some water fruit you say, but just fruit. 水果 fruit. Okay, would you like anything else? 好的，好的 OK. 您还要别的吗？还要 like still want, still need.别 it's like another one, others, something. Like else. 您还要别的吗？ would you like something else? Or you still need something more, we could say. 您还要别的吗？ Here's concatenation, like 别的东西, 别的 things, or another things, but just for shortness, 别的. No, thank you. 不用了, 不用了. Here is just no, but in reality it's 不用, don't need to, enough, 谢谢, thank you, but 不用, let's see another. That's okay, don't bother, thanks. I think don't bother, it's better. 不用了. Forget it, it's okay, like relax. Please wait a moment, it will be ready soon. 请稍等，马上来. Few new words, let's see. Please, 请. 等 it's to wait. 稍 first one, it's for a bit or a moment. So wait a bit or wait a moment. 稍等，马上来. It's horse, but like on a horse, if you do something on a horse, it's fast. So 马上 you could just instantly, in a few moments, immediately, right away, right now, quickly, instantly. And so you get 马上来. It's like I will come back. 马上来. Next one, discussing health. Let's continue. Discussing health. How is your health? 你的身体怎么样？你的身体 your health or your body 身体怎么样？ How about? What about? But I think not what about, how. Just how is good. 怎么样? All right. What's up? Happen doing? How is your health doing? You can say. I'm very healthy. Thank you. How about you? 我身体很好. You can say 我的身体 or 我身体很好. It's very good. 谢谢. 你呢? What about you? 你呢? For reverse question. I'm also good. What fruits have you been eating recently? 我也很好. You can say 3 in a row. 我也很好. 我也很好. I'm also very good. 你最近吃什么水果? You 最近 recently. So 近 it's like close. Or recently in the past time. Or near you can say. Near your house, near your time, like you could say it's about time or about places, but here is about time, so recently. 最近 the most recent time. 你最近吃什么? You eat what? 水果 but here is like which fruits? 什么水果? I have been eating some apples and bananas. Fruits are good for your health. 我吃了一些苹果和香蕉. I eat 我吃了一些 a bit or some, a few 些 苹果 we saw already, but here's new one. 香蕉 香 first one, it's fragrant, something like good smelling, but 蕉 it's just sort of like plants that looks like bananas, you could say. 香蕉 banana plant, so it's just biological name. Biological. 香蕉 bananas。水果对身体很好 fruits for health 对身体 for your health 很好 is very good, but not for your health, for everybody health. So good for your health. But because he's speaking with us. Yes, I also love eating fruits. 是的，是的，对，是的 yes. 我也爱吃水果 I also love 我也爱吃水果 or you can say 水果 yes. Making plans. Dialogue number 4. How will the weather be tomorrow? 明天天气怎么样 Tomorrow 明天天气 weather 怎么样 So how is the weather built tomorrow? The weather forecast says will rain tomorrow. 天气预报说明天会下雨。We already saw it. So 预报 is for focused, forecast, focused. I think focused. Let's see. The weather for not forecast.
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 Forecast. So weather forecast. 天气预报 the weather forecast. 说明天会下雨 tomorrow will go rain. So will rain. 会下雨 Then where should we go? Here is now like then in that case. 我们去哪儿 We go to 哪儿 like where. So 我们去哪儿 When it rains, we can go to the cinema. 下雨的时候，我们可以去电影院。We remember 的时候 it's when something at the time of something. So 下雨的时候when the time of rain or when it rains, 我们可以 we can 可以去电影院 movies 电影 and 院 for some place where movies. So just like chamber, something like hall for something, but here is for movies. So 我们可以去电影院院 Great idea. What movie should we watch? 好主意 Good idea. 主意我们看什么电影 We watch which movie? So 我们看什么电影 Let's go watch that new movie. 我们去看那部新电影吧 Let's say we go to watch that部 Here is bu, it's measure word for movies. So you can say naga 新电影 or 那部电影新 first one, it's new 电影 it's a movie, so film 电影吧 Let's go watch that new movie. 我们去看那部新电影吧 And last one for today, talking about preferences. Let's see. Do you like hot weather or cold weather? 你喜欢热天气还是冷天气 You like 热天气 hot weather 还是冷天气 cold weather 冷天气冷 cold I like hot weather because I can swimming What? Hot How about you? 我喜欢热天气 I like hot weather Why? Here is a new word in way because or like the reason for The reason is you can say because, just because. 因为可以去永远游泳。I can go because here is implied, so I can, but here is no. 因为可以 because 去游泳可以去 go to 游泳 it's to swimming 游泳你呢 what about you 你呢 I like cold weather because I can drink hot tea 我喜欢冷天气 I like hot weather 因为 because 可以 I can or just can 喝 person 喝热茶 hot tea so 因为可以喝热茶 because I can drink hot tea. What kind of tea do you like to drink? 你爱喝什么茶 You love drink which tea or what tea? 你爱喝什么茶 And his last answer I love drinking green tea. 我爱喝绿茶 Here is new word for us 绿 it's green just color 我爱喝绿茶 Interesting I think on the right part it's pronunciation 绿我爱喝绿茶 I love drink green tea. So it's all for today. In next lesson we will learn some new words. See you.